everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I just wanted to do a video outside because it is the last days of summer, so I don't know what the shadowing is, but I still wanted to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. And I went to two different Walgreens. I went to a store that I rarely ever shop at, and then I went to the normal one that's right down the road from me. The one that was right down the road from me, they had like nothing. It was just like, it's a small store. So there is another store that I want to go to tomorrow, so when I go pick up Ben for school, I'm gonna go there. Now they also had school supplies on sale too. Let me show everybody. They also had school supplies on sale too, but I had a kid with me, so he didn't want me to coupons, and he was using my phone. Just hold on for a second. So I will be going back to try doing another school thing. But they had these, everything I got was 90.
Next, I'm gonna show that.
Okay, everything I got was 90% off.
Next,
so Ben got a emoji, like little guy that just kind of jumps. That was 19 cents on clearance, so that was kind of cool. So we got that. They had a couple of these. Yeah, they had a couple of these Justice League, or Benjamin, stop. Justice League, or Justice League. I don't know why I can't speak. Vinyl mates, but they had it in Batman, and they had one Wonder Woman. I guess this is all that they had. They had a battle damaged Batman and a regular Batman. But these were originally $9.99, and they had these on clearance for 99 cents. So I snatched these up because they kind of remind me of Lego guys. So I got one of the Wonder Woman. I got a Batman, if you guys can see that one. We're just gonna put everything in a chair. I also got another one of those. Another Batman. And then I got two more, but I'll show it to you guys. They had this little jewelry holder. It's a cactus. You guys can put your rings on it. This was on clearance for 69 cents or 89 cents. I can't remember. But I thought that'd be kind of a cute little gift to give to somebody in the future, so I ended up getting that. They had these Star Wars toys. These were originally 10 bucks. I don't know who would pay 10 bucks for these, but these had these on clearance for 99 cents. So I thought I got this one, and I got another one, which I'll show it to you when I get it. They had a bunch of these bunch of balloons. Now I really want to do water balloon fights in the future, especially with Ben when he gets a little bit older, and I've been wanting to get these, but these are so outrageous. So these were on clearance, I think, for $1.99 or $1.49, so I grabbed a couple of those. There is 100 of them in here, so I thought that is a great deal, so I ended up getting those. Now they also had a different thing called the X-Shot. Now I got something like this at Walmart not that long ago, but it does come with a little thing that, I live right near an airport, so there's an airplane flying right above our head right now. But I ended up getting stuff like this. So this is what you put into your faucet, and then you put the balloon right on it. There are 500 water balloons on here, so I thought that was a great thing to get. I'm going to continue putting stuff in bags because these are going to blow away. Okay, the next thing I got is this water wubble. It's a water balloon. So basically what you guys can do is you fill it with water, and you can fill it over and over and over again. They splash, but they don't pop. So I thought that was something kind of cool we can play. This was $1.
That's for ground.
Yeah, so this was $1.49.
You know that's for the pool party?
That was for the pool party? Yeah. So I thought that would be a good thing to play with Ben next summer. Now they had these H2O Go. This is a river gator. It's just one big giant ring. I thought this was super cute. These were $1.49 on clearance, so I had to get that. I got two of them, so I gotta find the other one.
Yeah, these are rainbow.
Yeah. They had this giant rainbow cloud pool float. I thought that was just super, super cute. And there's glitter inside of it. I think this was $1.99 or it was $2.49, but I just had to get it. I thought this is super, super cute, and it says it's filled with sparkles. Yeah, sparkles, which is sprinkles or glitter, so had to get that. They had some dresses on sale for 90% off. This isn't really my color, but I thought this would be a cute little dress, you know, a shirt to wear in the summertime. Now this was originally $9.99, and I got it for 99 cents, and it feels like a swimming suit. I don't know if it's really my color, but this would be a great cover-up to wear at the pool or the beach. And again, I bought something else that's kind of out of my way, but I thought, you know what, I might wear it in the summertime because it feels like a swimming suit. So this is a long dress. This was $14.99, and I got this for $1.49. So I thought, you know what, that's something to wear next summer. I found this really cute wine stopper. It is a pineapple. This was 69 cents.
Yes, it's a golden pin.
It's a golden pineapple. So I'm definitely going to give this to you, Gina. I saw this right away and I'm like, oh, I got to give this to her because I know she does drink wine, I think. I thought she does. So I had to get that for her. So yes, definitely going to give that to her. And that was like 69 cents. Benjamin, can you stop, please? Okay, I ended up getting this pool float. Now, I ended up getting a couple different ones. I don't know what happened to them, but I ended up getting this pool float. Now, this was $1.99 or $1.49. It is a 5 feet wide pool float. It is a toucan. I thought that is so cute to have, so I definitely got that. Here comes another airplane.
They're like all the airplanes.
I know, they just decided to come over.
Yeah, it's a big airplane.
Yeah. The next one I got is the giant rubber ducky pool float. This one's over 4 feet wide. I mean, the duck looks super enthused. That'd be super cute to have, you know. And my parents live right next to the Mississippi River, so this would be a great thing to take on the river with us. I got these little buckets. I thought these are cool buckets, and one of these I'm actually giving to a birthday party in a couple weeks. But these were 39 cents on clearance, so I got Paw Patrol. That was a cute little bucket. We got Spider-Man. I took his part earlier. And then we got PJ Masks. And the kid's birthday party we're going to is obsessed with PJ Masks. So I thought this could be like a cool little gift basket to put all of his little presents in there for. And then, yes, Spider-Man. So we got that. Oh, I got more stuff, you guys. I thought I bought another one of those gator things. I don't know what happened to them. It might be still left in the van. Oh, it's right here. So, got another river gator. Here is more of those balloons. So I thought these are super good to have. Here's another one of the Batman. This is the crushed or battle damaged Batman. So I thought that'd be super cool to have. And like I said, I like to have this to give to toys for this winter. I'm actually thinking of giving a bunch of toys to, you know, a lot of kids who can't get toys. And a lot of boys are obsessed, and girls could be obsessed with Batman. Now they had these napkins. I thought these were super cute napkins. I mean, they're just plain and simple. But these were on clearance for 19 cents. What, honey? You dropped your toy? That's okay. These were $1.99. They're on clearance for 19 cents. I thought that was a pretty good deal. I think they're super cute. I mean, they're just your basic stripe with like a wood grain white stripe. So I had to get those. Those were super good. You could not pass up napkins for 19 cents. So if I want to do those for like Christmas, I could even do those as Christmas because they're red. I ended up getting this.
I have to go outside and go there.
Okay. I ended up getting this splash potato. Now this is a fast pass splash machine. It comes with 100 water balloons and a balloon filler. So what you guys do is you turn the little, it's got a little timer on it, and then once the timer goes off, it pops the balloon and you guys get soaking wet. So I thought this would be a super great thing to play with Ben if we ever want to, you know, play catch. So I thought this was super cute. This was 69 cents, you guys, 69 cents. So I bought 2 of them, one to give as a gift and then one for us to keep. Oh, you guys, more stuff. So I found these. Now these actually had the price tag on here, but these were not 50% off. These were 99 cents. So the original price for this was $2.99. I got these for 29 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. They had 3 of them, so I thought I'm gonna get them just for, you know, for the future. But they had 3 different kinds. So these make little cute little gifts for anybody, you know, who wants to play in the sand or play in the water. Ben loves playing in the water, so I thought those would be great gifts. And you can also play with them in the bathtub. So I got those for him to play, or whenever we have another birthday gift. We have a couple friends that are pregnant right now, so like we can give them some gifts when their kid gets a little bit older. Ben wanted this little gift, or wanted this cup. This was Lightning McQueen, and it's got the straw. It also lights up if you guys can kind of see it. This was $3.99 and it was on clearance for 39 cents, so that is a great deal for a cup. So definitely got that for Ben. And then I got, hold on Ben, they see it, see? You guys see it? And then I got another one of those Batmans, and this says it's Walmart exclusive or Walgreens exclusive, so we got that. And then I got the last item, which was that Star Wars Force Link, and this again were 99 cents on clearance. So definitely go and check your guys' store. Now check the toy aisle, check a certain clearance section in the store, and also they should have, my store had 2 different aisles, one with all the clearance toys, and another store had it with all the clearance back to school stuff. So I'm gonna try to show you guys another video tomorrow with 90% off back to school. I have a bunch of coupons that I'm gonna show you guys and do some deals for you too, so you have to stay tuned for that. But if you guys enjoyed this awesome 90% Walgreens haul, please give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Actually, hold on, I forgot to show you guys one more thing.
Okay,
Let me go get it.
I forgot to
Show you guys the best part. I got a chair, you guys. This was originally $29.99, and it was just sitting there, and I'm just like, oh my goodness, I have to have it. I like it how it's got a backpack to it. So okay, ever since okay, so ever since like we go to concerts on the park or whatever, I really like having the backpack, so I can just put this chair on a backpack. But you guys, I got this for $2.99. That is an awesome deal. So definitely check your guys' store. Stuff will be going quick. But again, I just want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.